Hello and welcome. Today we are going to do an experiment. Some of you have asked me, can we use evaporated milk to make milk foam for macchiato and cappuccino drinks? I have shown you many video tutorials on how to make milk foam, cold milk foam for cold drinks. We are going to establish today whether the foam using the evaporated milk is stable and good enough for your cappuccino and macchiato drinks. When making milk foam, first, your milk must be very cold. Now this is evaporated milk in can. I wouldn't recommend that you put the can in the refrigerator. That's not advisable at all. What you do is you can put this in a bottle and then refrigerate your milk. That way, your milk will always be cold. So because I am not waiting for that, I have here 2 large bowls, and I find that aluminum bowls actually keep the cold better. And so normally when I make my milk foam, I always say that I am going to make my milk foam, pop this in the ice box or refrigerator and use it later. That way your milk foam becomes stable. So today we are not going to pop this in the refrigerator and ice box. I am going to put in the ice bath itself. Okay, so let's have a look. I'm going to use 2 different types of gadgets. For those that use the manual milk frother, we're going to use manual milk frother to make our first milk foam using evaporated milk. And the second is I'm just using a stainless pitcher. Once again, I find stainless keeps the cold better, and I am going to use my electric milk frothers. So 2 ways of making or testing whether evaporated milk actually makes a good foam. First tip, before you use your manual milk frother, make sure it is cold. So you must also keep this in the refrigerator or in your ice box if you don't have a refrigerator in your shop. Starting with using our manual milk frother, fill it to halfway through. This is pure evaporated milk. You can use any brand. So there it is, halfway through, and I'm going to pump until the milk doubles in size or your jug is nearly full. Okay, so there you go. It goes up to there. Let's see whether we can do a bit more. And for this one, I'm going to usually pop this in the refrigerator, but because I have an ice bath here, I'm going to put it in my ice bath, and we'll come back to that later. For the second one, using the electric milk frother, I'm going to use an ice bath, and I'm going to put my evaporated milk here. So I'm just going to use the rest of what I have in the can. And then this time, I am going to use my electric milk frother. So just froth it. Okay, now we have 2 milk foam using evaporated milk. Let's look at the one where we use our manual milk frother. Wow, now look at that. Very, very creamy and quite thick milk foam. So if I'm going to put this in my glass here, there you go. That is beautiful. Look at that. Very, very thick, very creamy and silky. Perfect milk foam. Now let's look at the one that we use, the electric milk frother. Well, it is equally creamy, equally smooth, and very foamy. So we can put it in any drink that you would like to make macchiato or cappuccino style. And you get this really silky, creamy, and foamy milk foam. Okay. Equally good. Well, there you go. I hope this experiment helps those who are wondering whether they can use evaporated milk to make milk foam for cappuccino and macchiato. And And the verdict, of course, in case you haven't seen the whole video, is that yes, you can, and you can also use different methods of making the milk foam. Manual milk frother, or if you have a French press, that's also possible, and electric milk frother. Just don't forget that you must make use of very cold milk, and also, if you can, chill the gadgets that you will be using to make your milk foam. Not the electric frother, but just the jug. That's all I would like to share with you today. If you'd like to see more of these video tutorials, stay tuned, click subscribe, and I'll see you again next time. In the meantime, stay safe, take care. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.